Hey there, renovation enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a virtual tour of the top cities around the world that are a haven for renovation lovers like yourself. Whether you're into historic restorations, modern makeovers, or unique architectural transformations, these cities have got it all. So grab your tool belt, put on your hard hat, and let's dive right in. Our first stop is Paris, the city of love and renovation dreams. Known for its beautiful architecture and rich history, Paris offers a plethora of renovation opportunities. From magnificent chateaux to charming haussmannian apartments, this city is a goldmine for restoration enthusiasts. Take a stroll along the Seine River and marvel at the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral, which is currently undergoing a massive restoration after the tragic fire in 2019. You can witness firsthand the incredible craftsmanship and dedication that goes into returning this architectural masterpiece to its former glory. Next on our list is Barcelona, a city that seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. The work of famed architect Antoni Gaudí is a highlight here, with his unique designs scattered around the city. From the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia to the colorful Parc Güell, Gaudí's creations are undergoing constant renovations to maintain their original splendor. And let's not forget about the charming Gothic Quarter, where you can find historic buildings ready for restoration. Barcelona is a true paradise for those who appreciate both the old and the new. Heading across the Atlantic, we find ourselves in the bustling city of New York. With its iconic skyline and diverse neighborhoods, the Big Apple offers a plethora of renovation projects for enthusiasts. From revitalizing brownstones in Brooklyn to converting old warehouses into trendy lofts in Manhattan, the possibilities are endless. The High Line, a unique park built on an abandoned elevated railway, is a prime example of the city's dedication to transforming urban spaces into beautiful and functional areas. New York is a city that never sleeps, and its renovation scene is equally vibrant. Now let's jet off to Tokyo, where ancient traditions meet futuristic designs. Japan's capital city is a treasure trove for renovation lovers, with its mix of traditional wooden houses, modern high-rises, and unique architecture. From restoring historic temples and shrines to renovating old Machiya townhouses, Tokyo offers a rich tapestry of renovation projects. The city's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing innovation is truly inspiring. And if you're into urban renewal projects, make sure to explore areas like Shibuya and Shinjuku, where old buildings are being transformed into vibrant spaces for the community. Our next stop takes us to the Eternal City, Rome. Steeped in history, this ancient metropolis offers endless opportunities for restoration enthusiasts. The Colosseum, one of the world's most iconic landmarks, has undergone several renovations over the centuries, preserving its grandeur for future generations. The historic center of Rome, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is filled with palaces, churches, and piazzas just waiting to be restored to their former glory. Closer to home, we have London, a city that effortlessly blends the old and the new. From the iconic Tower Bridge to the Grand Buckingham Palace, London is a city filled with architectural wonders. The city's diverse mix of architectural styles provides plenty of opportunities for renovations. Take a walk through neighborhoods like Notting Hill or Shoreditch, and you'll find stunning Victorian terraces and industrial warehouses just waiting to be transformed into stylish living spaces. London's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing modern design trends makes it an ideal destination for renovation enthusiasts. Last but certainly not least, we have Melbourne, a city that prides itself on its vibrant arts and culture scene. Renovation lovers will find delight in Melbourne's eclectic mix of architecture, ranging from Victorian-era buildings to contemporary masterpieces. The city's commitment to preserving its historic buildings is evident in projects like the restoration of Flinders Street Station and the revitalization of laneways into vibrant art spaces. Melbourne's appreciation for design and creativity makes it a must-visit destination for any renovation enthusiast. Well, there you have it. Our list of the top cities around the world for renovation enthusiasts. Whether you're passionate about historic restoration, modern makeovers, or unique architectural transformations, these cities have something to offer everyone. So grab your passports and get ready to embark on a renovation adventure like no other. Until next time, happy renovating!